Crocodiles, guardians of the wild waters. In the intricate and mysterious networks of the world's rivers, lakes, and swamps, where life pulsates in ways both visible and hidden, crocodiles reign supreme. These formidable creatures, encased in armor-like skin and equipped with muscular, sinewy bodies, have thrived in the wild for millions of years, dating back to a time before the age of dinosaurs. Crocodiles, encompassing species like the Nile crocodile, the saltwater crocodile, and the American crocodile, are not only among the oldest living reptiles but are also some of nature's most adapted and enduring survivors. Each aspect of a crocodile's physique, behavior, and even its lifespan reveals a testament to the powers of adaptation and the evolution of survival skills. At first glance, the crocodile's physical appearance alone evokes awe and fear, reminiscent of the mythical dragons and beasts from ancient legends. Their scales, thick and seemingly impenetrable, form a natural shield, protecting them from threats in their often harsh environments. These scales, embedded with keratin, are not just for protection. They play a role in the animal's temperature regulation, allowing crocodiles to survive in the scorching heat of tropical swamps and riverbanks. Their rugged exterior hides a complex system of thermoregulation, with crocodiles adjusting their body temperature by basking in the sun to warm up or slipping into the cool waters to avoid overheating. This balance of warmth and coolness helps them thrive in habitats that would be intolerable for many other species, showcasing a finely tuned physiology that has kept them alive across countless environmental shifts. The structure of a crocodile's body is a masterpiece of natural engineering, designed for both stealth and strength. Their long, muscular tails act as propellers when they swim, allowing them to move swiftly and silently through the water. When they hunt, this tail becomes a powerful tool for creating bursts of speed, enabling them to leap from the water's surface with alarming agility. Crocodiles use this powerful thrust not only to catch prey but also to defend themselves from threats, including other crocodiles. Their short, muscular legs may seem out of proportion with their long bodies, yet these limbs are deceptively powerful, allowing them to make quick lunges on land and enabling them to traverse difficult terrain. Their eyes, positioned on the top of their heads, give them a distinct advantage in hunting, allowing them to remain nearly submerged while still keeping a lookout for both prey and potential threats. The eyes themselves are adapted for both day and night vision, enabling crocodiles to be effective hunters regardless of the time of day. In the art of hunting, crocodiles are unmatched. Equipped with some of the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom, crocodiles have a bite force that can exceed 3,000 pounds per square inch, which is more than enough to crush bones effortlessly. Unlike other predators that rely on claws or sharp teeth to kill their prey, crocodiles often use their sheer jaw strength to immobilize and kill. Their diet is diverse, ranging from fish to large mammals, depending on the species and availability of prey. However, crocodiles are not merely brutes. They exhibit remarkable patience and precision in their hunting strategies. Rather than chasing down prey, crocodiles are ambush predators, lying motionless in the water for hours, sometimes even days, until the perfect moment to strike. This patient, calculated approach to hunting is a testament to their evolutionary intelligence, as they conserve energy by waiting for the ideal opportunity rather than wasting it on futile chases. Crocodiles also possess an extraordinary sensory system that sets them apart from other predators. Embedded in their scales are special sensory pores, called integumentary sensory organs, ISOs, which allow them to detect the slightest movement or vibration in the water. This ability to feel the world around them gives crocodiles an advantage in murky environments where vision is limited. Even in the dark, they can detect the presence of prey or other creatures, effectively turning the water around them into an extension of their sensory field. This advanced sensory system is one of the reasons crocodiles are so effective in their environments, as they can respond to their surroundings with unparalleled accuracy and speed. These sensors, combined with their keen sense of smell and hearing, enable them to be highly attuned to any changes in their environment, making them nearly impossible to surprise. Beyond their formidable hunting skills, crocodiles exhibit social behaviors that reveal another layer of complexity. Female crocodiles, in particular, display a level of maternal care rarely seen in reptiles. After carefully choosing a nesting site near the water's edge, they build nests to lay their eggs and then vigilantly guard these sites to ensure the safety of their future offspring. This nesting behavior demonstrates not only their dedication as parents but also a deep connection to their territory, as crocodiles will aggressively defend their nests from any intruders. Once the eggs begin to hatch, the mother crocodile gently carries her young in her mouth, helping them reach the water. This act of protection continues as she watches over them during their vulnerable early days, guiding them and, if necessary, defending them from potential predators. This display of maternal instinct is not only touching but also highlights the sophisticated social structure within crocodilian species, a reminder that these animals are far more complex than their fearsome exteriors suggest. While crocodiles are often viewed as solitary animals, they are not entirely without social bonds. Although adult crocodiles may prefer to live alone, they often gather in groups around abundant food sources or during mating season. Interestingly, crocodiles have been observed engaging in behaviors that suggest a level of cooperation, particularly in situations where food is plentiful, and group feeding may increase the chances of a successful hunt. This cooperation, while rare, indicates that crocodiles are capable of recognizing and adapting to situations that benefit from communal behavior, demonstrating a level of social awareness not commonly associated with reptiles. Furthermore, crocodiles communicate with each other through a series of vocalizations, body movements, and postures, especially during mating season or when defending territory. Young crocodiles are known to emit high-pitched sounds while still in their eggs, signaling to their mother and siblings that they are ready to hatch. This early form of communication is critical for their survival, as it triggers the mother to help her young reach the safety of the water. Crocodiles are not only formidable predators but also play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance within their habitats. As apex predators, they help to regulate populations of fish, birds, and other animals, preventing any one species from dominating the ecosystem. This balance is essential, as it ensures that resources are shared among various species, maintaining a healthy environment for all. Crocodiles also act as scavengers, consuming the remains of animals that have died of natural causes or been killed by other predators. This scavenging behavior helps to keep the waterways clean, as it reduces the amount of organic material that would otherwise decompose in the water, potentially leading to the spread of disease. In this way, crocodiles serve as nature's janitors, playing an essential role in the overall health of their ecosystems. Their survival across epochs that saw countless other species vanish speaks to their resilience. Crocodiles are living fossils, having existed largely unchanged for over 200 million years. Their ability to endure through drastic environmental changes, from ice ages to periods of extreme heat, reflects an adaptability that few species can claim. They have survived alongside dinosaurs, witnessed the rise and fall of countless other species, and adapted to the changing world with an elegance that speaks to their evolutionary success. Crocodiles have been on Earth long before humans appeared, and their continued existence is a testament to their ability to withstand the pressures of natural selection, climate shifts, and habitat changes. This resilience makes them one of the few species capable of thriving in the modern world, even as they face new challenges such as habitat loss and climate change. The survival strategies of crocodiles go beyond mere physical adaptation. They involve a deep understanding of their environment and an ability to learn from their experiences. Crocodiles have been observed exhibiting behaviors that suggest they can remember specific locations and even learn from encounters with potential threats. For example, crocodiles have been known to recognize the territories of other animals and adjust their behavior accordingly, avoiding confrontation unless necessary. This level of environmental awareness is rare among reptiles and underscores the crocodile's intelligence, a trait that has contributed to its survival over the millennia. As we delve further into the life of crocodiles, it becomes clear that these animals are more than just fearsome predators. They are, in fact, vital to the ecosystems they inhabit. Crocodiles maintain a delicate balance within their habitats, acting as both regulators of animal populations and natural cleaners of waterways. In regions where crocodiles thrive, their presence indicates a healthy, balanced ecosystem. By preying on weaker or sick animals, they indirectly help to control the spread of disease among other species, keeping the ecosystem resilient. This natural regulation prevents the overpopulation of certain species, ensuring that resources such as food and shelter are distributed among all members of the ecosystem. Thus, crocodiles are more than just hunters. They are essential guardians of the natural order, upholding the health and stability of their environment through their actions. One particularly fascinating role crocodiles play in the ecosystem is their impact on the behavior of other species. As apex predators, they influence the behavior of animals in their territory, often deterring herbivores and smaller predators from overgrazing or overhunting in specific areas. This effect, known as a trophic cascade, means that the presence of crocodiles helps to prevent any one species from dominating the landscape, which in turn allows a greater diversity of plants and animals to coexist. For example, when crocodiles patrol rivers and watering holes, they keep herbivores on the move, preventing overgrazing of vegetation along riverbanks. This grazing control benefits countless other species that depend on these plants for shelter or food, creating a ripple effect that sustains the biodiversity of the area. Moreover, crocodiles contribute to the nutrient cycle of their ecosystems in unique ways. When a crocodile consumes its prey, it often does so within or near the water, where the remains of its meal may sink to the riverbed. These nutrient-rich remnants provide food for fish, insects, and other aquatic organisms, thus supporting a wide array of species within the water body. Over time, this process contributes to the fertility of the aquatic ecosystem, encouraging the growth of plant life that serves as the foundation for a healthy food web. Even the crocodile's waste plays a role in fertilizing its surroundings, as it enriches the soil along the banks of rivers and lakes, promoting the growth of vegetation that will, in turn, support more wildlife. In addition to their roles as hunters and scavengers, crocodiles also possess a remarkable ability to adapt to various environments. While many associate crocodiles with tropical climates, they have adapted to a range of habitats, from freshwater rivers and lakes to brackish estuaries and even saltwater environments. The saltwater crocodile, for example, is capable of traversing vast distances across the open ocean, a trait rare among reptiles. This adaptability has enabled them to colonize a wide array of ecosystems across different continents, demonstrating an impressive range of tolerance to environmental changes. Their resilience to shifting climates and habitat destruction has allowed them to survive in areas where other species might struggle, further solidifying their role as enduring symbols of nature's adaptability. Understanding the physiology behind this adaptability sheds light on why crocodiles are such successful survivors. Their unique circulatory system allows them to control the flow of oxygen throughout their body, which is especially useful during prolonged periods of submersion. When hunting or evading predators, crocodiles can hold their breath for extended periods, up to 2 hours in some cases, by slowing their heart rate and redirecting blood flow to essential organs. This physiological trait not only aids in hunting but also helps them conserve energy in environments where food may be scarce. Additionally, crocodiles can enter a state similar to hibernation, known as estivation, during periods of extreme drought or food scarcity, allowing them to survive harsh conditions by reducing their metabolic rate. This ability to adapt their metabolism to environmental conditions is a key factor in their survival over millennia. The crocodile's longevity also plays a role in its survival and dominance in the animal kingdom. Unlike many animals that age rapidly, crocodiles continue to grow throughout their lives, with some individuals reaching impressive lengths and weights. This phenomenon, known as indeterminate growth, allows older crocodiles to become increasingly formidable, as their larger size offers greater protection from predators and enhances their hunting capabilities. It is not uncommon for some crocodiles to live for several decades, with certain individuals in captivity known to have reached ages of over 100 years. This remarkable lifespan is partially attributed to their efficient metabolism and robust immune systems, which allow them to fend off diseases that might be fatal to other species. As they age, crocodiles accumulate knowledge of their environment, learning the habits of other animals, recognizing seasonal patterns, and even remembering specific locations and behaviors that aid in their survival. The evolutionary history of crocodiles is as ancient and complex as the creatures themselves. Crocodiles belong to the order Crocodilia, which has existed for over 200 million years, dating back to the late Triassic period. This lineage predates the dinosaurs and has persisted through multiple mass extinction events that wiped out countless other species. The ancestors of modern crocodiles were among the few to survive the mass extinction event that ended the reign of the dinosaurs, a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Over millions of years, crocodiles have evolved to become highly specialized predators, with physical traits finely tuned for survival in both aquatic and terrestrial environments. The fact that they have remained relatively unchanged over such a vast timespan has earned them the title of living fossils, a phrase that underscores their status as one of the most successful vertebrate lineages in history. Despite their ancient lineage, crocodiles continue to adapt to the modern world in unexpected ways. In areas where human activity encroaches on their habitats, crocodiles have shown remarkable behavioral flexibility, sometimes altering their hunting patterns or adapting to the presence of human-made structures. However, the expansion of human settlements has also posed significant challenges to crocodile populations, as habitat loss, pollution, and poaching threaten their numbers in many parts of the world. Conservation efforts have been implemented to protect certain species, particularly those considered endangered, such as the Philippine crocodile and the Chinese alligator. Conservationists are working to educate communities about the ecological importance of crocodiles, emphasizing the need to coexist with these ancient reptiles rather than view them solely as threats. These initiatives aim to balance the needs of human development with the preservation of crocodile populations, ensuring that these iconic creatures remain a part of our planet's biodiversity for generations to come. As we gain a deeper understanding of crocodiles, it becomes evident that these creatures are far more than the sum of their physical traits. They embody a blend of strength, intelligence, and resilience that has allowed them to thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. Their social behaviors, though often subtle, reveal a level of sophistication not typically associated with reptiles. For instance, male crocodiles engage in complex mating displays, including vocalizations, body movements, and even water dances, where they create ripples in the water to attract females. These behaviors demonstrate a refined level of communication and courtship, adding depth to our understanding of crocodile social interactions. Crocodiles also exhibit forms of communication beyond mating rituals. They use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other, ranging from low-frequency rumbles to high-pitched grunts. Hatchlings, for instance, emit sounds while still inside the egg, signaling to their mother that they are ready to hatch. This communication prompts the mother to assist her young, digging them out of the nest and carrying them to the water, where they begin their journey of survival. This early bond between mother and offspring highlights a caring aspect of crocodile behavior, challenging the common perception of these creatures as solely aggressive predators. In the end, crocodiles are a reminder of nature's enduring power and adaptability. Their presence in the natural world serves as a testament to the resilience of life, the delicate balance of ecosystems, and the wisdom of evolution. They are symbols of survival, embodying both the ferocity and the grace that define the natural world. Observing a crocodile in its element, whether basking in the sun, gliding silently beneath the water's surface, or engaging in a fierce hunt, is a humbling experience. It offers a glimpse into a world that has existed for millions of years, largely unchanged, a world where strength, patience, and adaptability are the keys to survival. In learning about crocodiles, we gain not only a greater appreciation for these remarkable animals but also a deeper understanding of the intricate web of life that connects us all. Each species, each creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a role in the grand tapestry of nature. Crocodiles, as ancient guardians of the waterways, remind us of our responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world, to respect the balance that sustains life on Earth. As we face the challenges of climate change and biodiversity loss, the story of the crocodile serves as both a lesson and an inspiration, a reminder that survival requires not only strength but also adaptability, cooperation, and a respect for the ecosystems that we all share. Throughout human history, crocodiles have inspired a complex mixture of fear, fascination, and reverence. In ancient Egypt, crocodiles were considered sacred and were associated with the god Sobek, a deity depicted with a crocodile head who represented strength, fertility, and protection. Egyptian communities near the Nile River depended heavily on the waterway for their livelihoods, and the presence of crocodiles served as both a reminder of the river's life-giving power and its potential dangers. Sobek was believed to control the waters and protect the people, embodying the paradoxical nature of the crocodile as both a bringer of life and a formidable threat. Temples were dedicated to this god, where priests would care for crocodiles in pools, treating them as divine emissaries and even adorning them with jewelry. These practices highlight the unique place crocodiles held in human society, where their power and resilience were both respected and feared. In many other cultures around the world, crocodiles continue to hold symbolic importance. In Australian Aboriginal mythology, crocodiles are viewed as ancestral beings and are woven into stories that explain the creation of the land and its features. Known as Bungi in some Indigenous Australian languages, crocodiles are seen as guardians of sacred waterways and protectors of the land. These stories, passed down through generations, reflect a deep understanding of crocodiles and their role in the environment. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of respecting the natural world. Similarly, in parts of Southeast Asia, crocodiles are often associated with strength and endurance, symbolizing the ability to withstand adversity. Their images are used as protective symbols in various forms of art and architecture, from carvings on temples to decorative motifs on ceremonial items. Despite the reverence that some cultures have shown toward crocodiles, these creatures have also been the subject of many myths and misconceptions. In folklore, crocodiles are often portrayed as cunning and ruthless, capable of tricking their prey with deceptive tactics. Stories abound of crocodiles that lure animals to the water's edge or pretend to be asleep, only to attack at the last moment. These tales, while exaggerated, reflect an age-old human fascination with the crocodile's stealth and predatory abilities. Such myths contribute to the widespread perception of crocodiles as creatures to be feared, but they also underscore the deep respect that humans have historically held for these powerful animals. By understanding the origins of these myths, we gain insight into the long-standing relationship between humans and crocodiles, a relationship that is marked by both admiration and apprehension. As modern science continues to unveil the mysteries of crocodilian biology, we are learning more about their intelligence and social complexity. Contrary to earlier beliefs, recent studies suggest that crocodiles are capable of sophisticated problem-solving and may even use tools to aid in hunting. For instance, some crocodiles have been observed balancing sticks on their snouts to attract birds during nesting season. This behavior indicates a level of strategic thinking that challenges traditional views of reptiles as simple creatures driven purely by instinct. Such discoveries encourage us to reconsider our understanding of intelligence in the animal kingdom, highlighting the adaptability and cognitive capabilities of crocodiles. This behavior not only illustrates their intelligence but also reinforces the importance of observation in understanding animal behavior, as it challenges our assumptions and deepens our appreciation for the diversity of life. Furthermore, the resilience of crocodiles in a rapidly changing world serves as an important case study in evolutionary biology. Crocodiles are often compared to other ancient lineages, such as sharks and certain species of birds, which have also persisted through millions of years with minimal changes. These living fossils offer a unique window into the past, allowing scientists to study the characteristics that have enabled such species to endure. The crocodile's survival through multiple mass extinctions suggests that its physical adaptations, such as its powerful jaw and efficient circulatory system, are remarkably well suited to a wide range of environmental conditions. By studying crocodiles, scientists can gain valuable insights into the factors that contribute to long-term survival and adaptability, knowledge that is especially relevant in an era of accelerated environmental change. In addition to their importance in scientific research, crocodiles have become symbols of conservation efforts around the globe. Certain crocodile species, such as the critically endangered Philippine crocodile and the Chinese alligator, face serious threats due to habitat destruction, poaching, and human conflict. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect these species, not only to preserve their unique ecological roles but also to ensure that future generations can experience the awe of seeing these ancient creatures in the wild. Efforts include habitat restoration, breeding programs, and community outreach initiatives aimed at reducing human-crocodile conflicts. In places like Australia, where saltwater crocodile populations have rebounded due to successful conservation policies, local communities now benefit from ecotourism, as visitors from around the world come to witness these magnificent animals in their natural habitats. These programs demonstrate the potential for humans and crocodiles to coexist in harmony, benefiting both people and wildlife. Ecotourism centered around crocodiles has not only helped to fund conservation initiatives but also raised awareness about the ecological importance of these animals. Tourists who visit crocodile habitats are often fascinated by the animals' power and grace, gaining a new perspective on creatures they may have previously feared or misunderstood. By educating the public about the roles crocodiles play in their ecosystems, ecotourism fosters a sense of responsibility toward protecting these environments. Visitors leave with a greater appreciation for the natural world and an understanding of the delicate balance that sustains it. This shift in perception is crucial in an age where human activities threaten biodiversity on an unprecedented scale, as it encourages a more empathetic approach to conservation. Human-crocodile coexistence, however, remains a challenge in many parts of the world. In regions where human populations encroach upon crocodile habitats, conflicts are inevitable. Crocodiles are territorial animals, and as they lose their natural habitats to development, they sometimes enter areas inhabited by humans, leading to dangerous encounters. Efforts to mitigate these conflicts involve educating communities about safe practices, such as avoiding known crocodile territories, especially during nesting seasons, and respecting warning signs posted near waterways. Some regions have implemented relocation programs, moving crocodiles from high-risk areas to remote habitats where they can live without posing a threat to humans. These initiatives, while challenging, represent a step toward peaceful coexistence, acknowledging the rights of both humans and crocodiles to share the planet. In many ways, the story of the crocodile is a mirror of our own relationship with nature. As humans have spread across the globe, we have often viewed ourselves as separate from the natural world, seeking to control and conquer it. Crocodiles, however, remind us that we are part of a complex web of life, one that requires balance and respect to sustain. Their ancient lineage serves as a reminder of the resilience of nature and the importance of protecting the environments that support all life. The more we learn about crocodiles, the more we recognize the need for conservation strategies that honor the interconnectedness of all species. In protecting crocodiles, we are not only preserving a part of our planet's heritage but also safeguarding the ecosystems that support countless other forms of life. The future of crocodiles depends on our willingness to embrace conservation as a global responsibility. With increased awareness and a commitment to sustainable practices, it is possible to protect these creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. By supporting conservation efforts, we ensure that crocodiles continue to play their roles as apex predators and ecosystem regulators, preserving the health of our planet's waterways. As guardians of the rivers, lakes, and swamps they call home, crocodiles remind us of the beauty and complexity of life, and the responsibility we share in protecting it. Their story is one of survival, strength, and the enduring spirit of nature itself. In conclusion, crocodiles are more than just ancient reptiles with powerful jaws and an intimidating presence. They are complex creatures with a range of behaviors and adaptations that allow them to thrive in challenging environments. Their role in ecosystems, their cultural significance, and their contributions to scientific knowledge make them invaluable not only to the natural world but to our understanding of life itself. Observing a crocodile in its natural habitat, gliding silently beneath the water's surface or basking in the sun, is a humbling experience, a reminder of the long and storied history of life on Earth. These creatures have seen the rise and fall of species, the shifting of continents, and the passage of time on a scale that few can comprehend. As we stand on the brink of environmental change, the story of the crocodile becomes more relevant than ever. In their strength, resilience, and adaptability, crocodiles embody the qualities needed to endure the challenges of a changing world. Their survival is a testament to the power of nature's design and the importance of respecting the balance that sustains all life. By protecting crocodiles and their habitats, we not only preserve a species that has existed for millions of years but also honor the legacy of life on Earth, a legacy that we, too, are a part of.